Do we do a countdown? Yeah. We're doing this in 5, 4, 3. 2 weeks ago, I was thinking about 2, 1.
Whoa. See that guy right there? Looks like he's hit rock bottom. Well, that guy's actually me. Now, I bet you're wondering how I got in this wacky situation. It all started in the summer of '86. Now, to be fair, that wasn't actually the spaceship talking. It was me. My name's Tom, I am the Astro Canuck, and on Twitch, I like to share live images of outer space as often as possible from my backyard here in southwestern Ontario. But what I ended up doing this time is a little bit of a challenge. I like to build Lego on Sundays. We have our Lazy Sunday Lego streams every Sunday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I put forth a challenge for chat. If they could meet a certain bit threshold during the course of our build, we would smash that Lego set. And as you can see, they met that goal. I held my word, and we smashed the NASA Space Shuttle. Used to have a few $1,000s worth as a kid. We got rid of all of them when you moved. I didn't know how valuable they were, so... Is a banana a fruit sausage? Yes it is. Yes, it is. Good morning, Lily. How are you? So, yeah, we have the drop game playing today. Why is that? Why is that? Some of you may know. Some of you may have seen the tweets. I think we're going to have to smash the space shuttle once we're finished. Unless nobody donates bits. I appreciate it immensely. I really do. I really... Aw, crud. For the 88 bits and holy potatoes. Once the final brick is placed, I guess we gotta smash the space shuttle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is just a small taste of what we like to do on our streams. Like I said, we love to share live images of outer space, love talking about astronomy and astrophotography and all the kit that we can buy that is always going to be inundated by clouds, no matter how hard we try. But I encourage you to join us on Twitch. Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays are our regular streaming days, and whenever the skies are clear, we'll be taking the cover off the telescope, sharing live images of outer space. Hope to see you there. Hope you enjoyed the video. What's this button do? There. Do one of those, please. Like and subscribe. You know the drill. But thank you so much for watching. I've been Tom. I am the Astro Canuck. I'm not here to change the world. I'm here to share the universe. And maybe smash a couple of Lego sets.